Alright, for changing your oil in a 2015 GMC 1500, just take 1 year, 2 year oil change things, your quarts. Cut the tops off. Alright. Place it right in there. Rest it just like so. Take your brand new quart, pour it in, and just place it right in there. No leak, don't gotta hold it, works amazing. Alright.
Hi, you
got
are
one
currently
done right
being
there.
recorded.
Do one more real quick. Pour it in. Place it. No spill. You can even leave it there as long as you want and let it all drain out. The beauty is when you're done, you got your cap. You just push this right in there. Grab your cap, slide right on the cap, screw it on, and you got no funnel drip.